Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to divert CC emails to a separate folder in Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you receive a lot of emails where you're just copied in for information and you want to keep your main inbox focused on messages where you're the primary recipient. Let's dive right in and get this set up. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully logged in and can see your inbox, as we'll need to access some specific settings from there. This might take a moment depending on how many emails you have, so just give it a second to fully load everything. Once your email has loaded, navigate to your inbox pane. From here, you'll want to look for the Rules drop-down option. This is typically found in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Create Rule. This is where we'll start building the automation that filters your CC emails. A Create Rule window will now appear on your screen. This is your control panel for setting up how Outlook handles specific types of emails. Under the Do the Following section, you'll see several checkboxes. Look for the one that says Move the item to folder and click on its checkbox. This tells Outlook that you want to automatically move certain emails somewhere specific, rather than leaving them in your main inbox. Next, you'll need to select the actual destination folder. Click on the folder selector that appears and choose the folder where you wish to divert all your CC emails to. You might have a folder already set up for this, or you can create a new one if needed. This is where all those CC emails will now live, keeping your main inbox clean and organized. Once you've configured the destination folder, click on Advanced Options. This opens up the Rule Wizard, which gives you much more detailed control over exactly which emails get moved. You'll see a list of conditions that you can apply to fine-tune this rule. From the list of conditions that appears, look for the option that says where my name is in the CC box. This is the key condition that identifies emails where you've been carbon copied rather than directly addressed. Click on its checkbox to activate this condition. This ensures that only emails where you're in the CC field will be affected by this rule, not emails where you're the primary recipient. Finally, click on Finish to complete the setup. From this point forward, all emails that you are carbon copied on will be automatically diverted to the folder you've set. Your main inbox will now only show emails where you're the primary recipient, making it much easier to prioritize what needs your immediate attention. And there you have it. You've successfully configured Outlook to automatically separate your CC emails, giving you a much more organized inbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.